In this presentation, we will talk about the types of data. Digital data is divided into different types. First is called structured data, second one is called unstructured data, third one is called semi-structured data, and fourth one is called multidimensional data operations. So what is digital data? So digital data is the electronic representation of information in a format or language that machines can read and understand. So we have to provide an input which the machine can able to understand. Otherwise, is not of any use. So in more technical terms, digital data is a binary format. Normally, we give it the digital data only in a binary format 0, 1. The binary format of information that's converted into a machine readable digital format. So the power of digital data is that any analog inputs from very simple text documents to genome sequencing results can be represented with a binary system. Next, what are the sources of digital data? We have two types of sources. One is internal source, another one is external source. Internal source are the sales data, financial data, transportation data, human resource data, and storage data, which can be easily collected. And external data, we have to search the internet of organizations, websites, research institutions, universities, and some sources are from the government institutions, government statistical data. Trade associations will also provide some data and syndicated reports. And there are some institutions of national and international importance. They will also provide data to us. They comes under the external data sources. And what is structured data? Structured data is a data that can be organized into a standardized format for efficient access by both software and humans. It is typically tabular with rows and columns that clearly define that data attributes. For example of structured data can be like Excel files, SQL databases, point of sale data, web form results, and also product directories. Structured data facilitates data interoperability and ensuring information is considered consistently formatted and easily exchangeable between different systems. It is considered the most traditional form of data storage and is essential for tasks such as analytics and machine learning algorithm training. And a second type is we call it unstructured data, just opposite to the structured data. It refers to the information that lacks a predefined data model or organization, making it challenging to store and manage in traditional relational databases. So it is typically text heavy, but can also include non-textual data such as images, or sometimes audio, sometimes video also. So these unstructured data accounts for a significant portion of the data generated by organizations, with estimates around from 80 to 90%. Only structured data is very less, but unstructured data we are able to get it is huge in numbers. For example, examples like text documents, email messages, or videos, or photos, or web pages, or some audio files which are received. While this unstructured data has an internal structure, it doesn't conform to a predefined format. So, unlike our structured data, it doesn't conform to a predefined format. It means that it is highly hard to convert them into a standardized manner. So this type of data is commonly stored in non-relational databases like Hadoop or NoSQL or the request-specific methods of analysis and transactions. Third one is your semi-structured data. So it falls between structured and unstructured data. It is in between both these two things. It's a combination of both. We can call it as highly structured data also. For example, emails, our internet websites. And last one is your multi-dimensional data operations. These data operations are operations performed on multi-dimensional data models. We have models which perform such data. So we call it as multi-dimensional data models, which are used to organize data in a database. These models are used for ordering data in the database along with good arrangements and assembly of data. So it is based on relational data, and the main purpose is to process data in a best possible way, so that Decision makers can identify and make benefit out of it. Thank you.